me can figure it out. With streaming apps, you miss live events and waste time searching for shows.
Not this one, that one?
It's clear that Cox is the better choice, just like it's clear that the teleprompter guy thinks I'm a boo-boo head who steals parking spots.
Get live TV, great apps, and on demand from Cox, starting at $79.99 a month.
Happening right now at 11. Tropical storm Barry is bearing down. Outer bands already producing intense tropical rainfall and damaging winds.
We're going to show you the last-minute life-saving preparations that are going on right now.
And we are tracking Barry. I'm going to have an update on the projected landfall that just came in, potentially catastrophic rainfall totals, and when this storm is going to impact us right here in the DMV.
And developing tonight.
We are not a terrorist. We are not a terrorist.
Shouts at the vice president as he's touring a border detention center.
Protests growing here and across the nation as ICE is expected to begin sweeping raids on illegal immigrants.
Now, ABC 7 News at 11 on your side.
Believe it or not, you see the mailboxes. That used to be a street. Barry is already proving to be a very powerful storm as it is lashing the Gulf, and it is still just a tropical storm at this point.
This is south of New Orleans, and conditions are only going to get a whole lot worse there. Leaders across the Gulf Coast are not sugarcoating the situation there. They are saying that this is a life or death situation.
And at this point, evacuation deadlines are history. Floodgates have been closed. The city is now sealed up. Stormwatch 7 is tracking Barry with team coverage for you. Our chief meteorologist, Bill Kelly, is starting us off tonight with brand new information, and this is a big rainmaker, this storm is.
Huge rainmaker, and this is fresh information from the National Hurricane Center. The next update coming in at 2 o'clock in the morning. Wind speed still 65 miles per hour. The difference in this one is the speed. It is only moving 3 miles per hour. If you walk on a treadmill on a slow pace, you probably set that at 3.4 miles per hour. So extremely slow. By tomorrow morning, it's approaching the Louisiana coastline, forecast to be a Category 1 storm. And then it's going to move inland by Saturday into the evening, 60-mile-per-hour winds. It then on Sunday continues through Louisiana, and it barely makes it to Arkansas by late Sunday night. It takes the entire 2-day stretch, essentially, to go through Louisiana, and then it makes its way up to the north. You know, President Trump has already declared a state of emergency for this life-threatening storm. Stormwatch 7 meteorologist Josh Knight showing us what people are doing down there to prepare tonight.
Tonight, Barry churning its way onto the Gulf Coast. The slow-moving storm now nearing hurricane strength, with winds over 60 miles per hour already pushing water inland. Thousands scrambling to pack up and get out. This station running out of gas.
As you can see, there's already gas running out at these pumps. Several of these pumps no longer have gas.
Store shelves emptying too. Officials warning this is a life-threatening storm and the clock is ticking.
Time is short. If you have preparations that you need to complete, now is the time.
Tonight, Grand Isle, Louisiana, already underwater before the storm even hits. Residents here ordered to evacuate, but not everyone's getting out of town.
We have a neighbor down the road from us that she's hospital bound and in a hospital bed. They're not leaving either.
And tonight, conditions deteriorating by the hour. In New Orleans, residents are being urged to shelter in place. Tourists are pooling out of town. Storefronts in the French Quarter being boarded up. And for the first time in history, all the city's floodgates are closed. And the governor is confident the upgraded levees will hold the Mississippi River back, at least in New Orleans.
Our state is better prepared, but that comes with a caveat. You never know what Mother Nature is going to serve until she has served it.
And there's a lot of truth to that. Models vary really in a pretty big way as far as how much rain is going to fall and exactly where. But what I want to show you is just how big some of these numbers are. Lafayette, close to 17 inches of rain. Woodville there around 16 and a half. Now, this particular model doesn't have a ton right in New Orleans, but have to keep in mind this is going to continue up the Mississippi River, and ultimately all that water is going to try and come back down past New Orleans. So this is going to be one we're watching easily into next week.
Yeah, pretty incredible, those totals. And that storm is going to be affecting us here, even though it's 1,000 miles away. Coming up in just a little while, we'll track it out and tell you.